Hi everyone, this is a crochet baby boot and I'll show you how to make it with simple steps. First, start making a small row of double crochet. Here we need to make multiple rows of same double crochet one after the other. Based on the size, count the number of rows. Here, the length of the row should be dependent on the height of the boot. So, based on your requirement, check that of what height you want that boot. So the row should consist of that number of double crochets. And based on the width which you require, the number of rows will be counted. Now to make the front part of the boot, we have to make rows only to the half of the complete length. So this is how it will look. Here I am using multiple colors so that it will look good at the front of the boot. Now I will show you how to switch between the colors from one row to another row. As we will have a single loop at the end of each row, just make 3 chain stitches using the same loop and then start making the row from the first loop at the top. Here I am making half double crochet. Now once you are done with the complete row, just make a single chain stitch and leave that loop at there. Now again come to the starting of the row and hold the loop which was left there and have a split stitch at the top and then start making a new row using half double crochet or double crochet, that could be of your wish. So here I am making half double crochet for the front part, whereas double crochet for the back part. This is how you have to make in order to fold it into a boot. Here I am showing you how to fold the complete pattern so that it looks like a boot. Here I have to join at the back side and then at the bottom side. I have attached the back side of the boot. This is how it will look. And then now I'll join the bottom side. Here I am starting from the center of the boot. I am not joining the front part. So This is how just place the yarn and pull it from both the patterns, both the sides, and then make a single chain. Then throughout the pattern, from the starting point to the end of the pattern, just make the same chain stitches joining both of them. I'm just inserting the needle and pulling the yarn from the other side, then yarn over and pull it through the two loops. This is how we'll join both the ends. So here I have completed from the bottom side also. Now I have to join the front part. At the bottom, I'll insert this yarn. First take some small thread, small piece of yarn, and just place it at the bottom, and then pull the yarn from one side to another side. Just hold the first corner and go on pulling up the same yarn from the other side throughout the circle. It should be like top to bottom, and then again from bottom to top. This should be done throughout the circle. There is no specific place that from here only you should do. Based on your assumptions, just place the yarn throughout that circle. That's it. Now both the ends should be at the outer side, like this. Now hold those both ends of the string and pull it tightly so that the complete pattern comes closer. There should be no gap in the center. Just tie it, make a secure knot, and then cut the extra strings and hide the one which are visible within the project. Similarly, use another string and do the same which we have done at the bottom at the top as well. So that will give a shape. Here also I have inserted the complete yarn, that piece of thread throughout the circle and pulling it tightly, and I will make a knot there. Now reverse the complete project so that the knots and stitches everything will go inside and the clean and neat part will be visible outside. So this is how the final product will look. I'm just folding the above part. So this is what the final output is. I'm done with the second leg boot. Now if you see both of them together, it will look so cute. So thank you.